Tell us about DLP, Texas Instruments, and what you're showing here.
Okay, great. We've taken our technology, which is, this is our cinema chip that's used in all the digital cinemas in the world, or in 80 to 85% of the digital cinemas use this chip. And we've taken this technology and shrunk it down to chips that are this size. And these are called our Pico Projection Chips. And on these chips, for example, this HD chip, there are actually 1280 by 800 pixels on this mirror, or mirrors on this device that create each individual pixel. And all of them are microscopic. They're about 1/10 of a human hair. Amazingly enough, this latest generation of Pico chips powers products that are 300 to 500 lumens in brightness, which is a huge advantage because the generation earlier, products were in the 50 to 100 lumen range, so they've improved at least 3 to 6 times in brightness because of this chip. So it's been an amazing accomplishment for us, and there are a number of products behind me that demonstrate really big advantages in brightness, and how the Pico devices are truly usable.
How have you managed to shrink them down from such a large chip to such a small chip? Is it all to do with the manufacturing, or what is actually behind being able to shrink it that small?
Well, it's a lot of different process technologies, but we've actually been able to make the individual mirror elements smaller and smaller and smaller. This operates in a much lower heat environment with a lot less brightness, but the brightness, as I mentioned, is now significant enough to actually be really fun to use these products, and they really can be used for so many different things to share. And really, it's a magical experience out of the palm of your hand that you can get these things as bright as they can be.
What we do with them is basically you put them into phones, or you put them into little projectors, and then you can actually show a beam of cinema magic on your wall, right?
That's right. It's taking the cinematic experience and putting that cinematic experience into a camera, or into a cell phone, or into a standalone projector, notebook companion, a multimedia projector, a cell phone companion. So many different products that are possible, and it really starts with that kind of image quality that made DLP famous in the cinemas, and we've taken that image quality now and put it in the palm of your hand.